Hi, I'm Gavin, a traditional Chinese medicine practitioner, and if you're dealing with hair loss from stress, here's something people never explain clearly. Let's talk about cortisol and what it actually does to your hair. We know stress can cause shedding, but it's not just a mental thing. It's chemical, hormonal, physical, and the main player, cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. Short-term, cortisol is helpful. It keeps you alert and alive, but when it stays high for weeks, for months, that's when the damage starts. Here's a simplified chain reaction. High stress equals high cortisol. High cortisol equals less blood flow. Less blood flow equals less oxygen and nutrients to the scalp. Nutrients starve follicles, hair falls out. It's that simple and that powerful. Let's break it down just a little bit further. When cortisol is high, your body thinks you're in danger. It diverts your blood away from non-essential systems, like your digestion and skin, including your scalp. More blood goes to your core, your muscles, and your brain. Less blood goes to your hair. So even if you're eating well and taking all the right supplements, your scalp isn't getting what it needs. No oxygen, no nutrients, no growth. And here's the key takeaway. If cortisol is the root disruptor, you don't fix it by attacking the symptom. You fix it by calming the system. That means supporting your nervous system, digestion, and circulation, the things that cortisol messes with in the first place. If you want a step-by-step plan that you can easily integrate into your lifestyle to help you lower cortisol, actually rebuild what stress depleted, and kickstart regrowth, I put it all into one guide. You can grab it in the link below. Thanks for watching, and remember, when your system feels safe and truly supported, that's when your hair can really start to regrow.